is up, everybody? We're here again in the garage. We got Dan over here. That was his Miata right there. And we got the GTR you just saw got wrapped. But today, we're doing something even better. That's right, fucking airlift suspension, baby. Finally fucking pulled the trigger on this shit. Fucking sold my soul, but it's okay. It'll be worth it when I air out. Don't mind how dirty the car is. Shut the fuck up, bitch. So what we're gonna do now is the airlift isn't gonna be here till Tuesday, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna start taking everything off today. So that way the car will be ready for install once the bags get here on Tuesday. That way we'll have everything ready by next weekend, hopefully. But yeah, let's fucking get to it. So we ran into the first issue. I don't know when the last time these fucking wheels were taken off, but fucking they do not want to come off. It's like that one thing. We have a complicated relationship. We're gonna get through it. I'm gonna hit you with a hammer. But just a little rubber mallet therapy. Get those fucking wheels off, and then we're gonna clean the studs and the lugs and stuff because they are dirty. But yeah, first issue, kind of. Is that all the wheels off now?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. Got Alan with his WRX. Fucking the Mia. The Yoda. Not really. But alright, let's start getting the rest of this shit out. Alright, now that we have the rear wheels off, we're gonna do the rear first, just because the axle nuts need to kind of soak in PB Blaster. But it's not that hard to take the interior out. Well, first we're gonna take out the interior. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. I just recently learned how to do it, but I'll show you guys. First, move this seat, then open this thing, which doesn't want to stay up, because I think, I don't know why it's not staying up, but oh well. So the first step in moving this is, Dan, you want to hold this camera right quick so I can show the people what they want?
Yeah.
So right here, if you look right here, underneath these seats, there's gonna be a little tab here, which is right here, motherfucker. Yep, right there. You just pull the tab, and then the seat comes right out. Bam, that's the first seat. And then if you look under there, go ahead, show the people. You can see the fuel pump covers right there, so if I ever need to do that shit, it's right there, which I don't think so. And then we're just gonna repeat this process on the other side to get that side out. Alright, so once you get this fucking bolt out from here at the base, it's a 14 millimeter. You just want to pull it out till it's not hooked up there, and then you just push it up, and baba booey, she's out. Dan, demonstrate.
Take it out. Push up.
And then, what is the word, Baba Booey?
Nah, I didn't say it.
He didn't say it because he's fucking whack. And then Alan fucking useless over here. This one also has an L. So I don't know if that's factory or not, but just in case, y'all know where the fuck he goes. But there's that. I'll probably clean these up also before I put them back in the car, but let's keep moving forward. Right here, super easy. Grab on that side right here at the bottom and just pull the tab up. And then there's a clip in there. One little clippy thing. Can you disconnect it right quick? I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll show you guys. Pass in the light. There's one clip. I don't know why there's a clip there. Maybe to keep
it's right here.
Whatever that is. Yeah, it's right there. And you just, I don't know, you just use some witchcraft. Adivikadivi.
Should have brought a pick.
He's using the gator grip.
Damn.
It's right here. It's that little gray thing. Right
Yeah,
there.
little ledge.
Yeah. Probably use a flathead or a plastic trim removal tool. I'll go grab it now. See if that helps. On the side there, this stupid little clip that didn't want to come off. Use a flathead or something, or pray to Jesus that it comes off.
Cut it.
Yeah, you can cut it if you want. No, don't do that. I don't know where the fuck it goes to, but if somebody wants to tell me in the comments, because I don't know what the fuck is going on. But either way, that's out. Just bolting the bracket back in there, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Fucking Dan. You can go. And then right here, to remove the sub box out, you got there's 2 10 mils that go right here. And then it should just pop out, so we'll see. I think there might be clips on each side. First fix here. So right here, we got the sub box out. We're not gonna take the sub out, but if you wanted to, there's bolts right here that you can fuck with. But we don't need to take them out, so we're just gonna leave them there. But it was just 3 clips. You can see the holes right here. There's one up here, one here, and then one down there, and that's all that holds it in. Here's the one clip that probably fell from that thing when I fucking popped it out. But now we're gonna move on to the next thing. We gotta remove all the leather from in here, which means we're probably gonna have to take this stupid shit out on the side. The panel, but yeah, let's get to that. All right, so entire interior just to take off some goddamn struts, but they're loose now. It's a pain in the fucking ass. You have to remove the seat belts to get this panel off, but I didn't show that because we were fucking busting our knuckles in there. But yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove the bottom parts, and then we'll finish removing the top parts as well, and go ahead and show you that. So for the bottom, it's just gonna be this right here. I'll let you know what bolt that is in a second. And then the top, we already removed the entire fucking interior to get to it, so there's that. But we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'll let you know what size that is once we get it removed. All right, so the rear struts are finally fucking out. Pain in the ass. Make sure you disconnect your fucking adaptive fucking suspension shit. But yeah, they're out. Now we're gonna move on to the front. Hopefully that axle nut is a little bit loose. Before we started this, I put some I put some fucking PB Blaster on there. So we'll see now how loose it is, but hopefully bitch comes off, cause fuck my life. All right, so I'm not sure if we did this the right way, but the strut's out. I think we loosened shit that we shouldn't have, but it is what it is. What you want to do is just push that thing up, and it'll give you a lot more room than what we were trying to do, because we loosened this shit and a bunch of other shit that's gonna fuck my alignment all up. So I get to drive straight to Nissan after this, or an alignment shop, to get this shit fixed. But oh well, on to the next side. All right, so we're at a stopping point here for the night. Until my struts get here and the management and all that other bullshit for the bags gets here on Tuesday. But we got all the struts out. Should make it for an easier install come Tuesday when everything fucking gets here. It's a pain in the ass. Fucking tired. Big shout out to Dan for helping out, and even Alan, who also helped out. Yeah, stopping point for today. I'm gonna pick this shit back up on Tuesday. See you guys then.